The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Charlottesville in central Virginia, central Albemarle County and central Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Freunion, or near Charlottesville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Crozet, Freunion, Campbell, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Ivy, North Garden, Yancey Mills, Stony Point, Flordon, Scott Stadium, Cobham, Cismont, Newcomb Hall, Batesville, Boyd Tavern, Monticello, Woodridge, and Keswick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.